Hello everyone, my name is Anna Sharma and I am back with the part 2 of the Pandas library in Python. So let's get started. First we will import pandas as PD, and then today we are going to learn about slicing. So let's get started. Okay, and run. Now first of all we will read PD dot read underscore CSV is equals to not is equals to, and then I have the link over here. Control Z, okay, copy, and over here I will paste it. Now I have my data. Let's store it in a variable and execute. So over here I've got df and run. Now let's just now to do slicing I will write df, then I want to do from 0 to 15, so I have to write 16 because we have to give the value n plus 1, and indexing is by default done over here. If I execute over here, I've got my sliced part. Control Z, copy, paste. If I want to skip one step, I have to give the value n plus 1, 2. If I execute, I've got my uh, result that I wanted by skipping one step. One cut, then three cut, then five cut, like this, seven, then nine, then 11, then 13, all of that cut. Now, if I just execute this, okay. Now, if you want to add a column, okay, okay. So, how can you do that? Let's check. First of all, you will write df and then you will give the column name, and then you will maybe Hana, and then we will give the value as 10. Execute and df. So over here as you can see I've got a column Ahana with the value 10. Now if I want to enter add one more column, I will just do the same, okay, and then give the value 1 and then df. So I have the Ahana column also and the A1 column also. Now if I want to give a column between in the center somewhere, not at the last because these two are coming at the last, and if I add one more it will come at the fully last. So if I want to give it at the center, I will write df dot uh, insert and then loc means location. So if I want to give it at third place I have to write 2. It's n minus 1. So 2, and then I want to give, I have to write call umn, eh, call umn column, and then we have to write maybe food I want to give, and then you have to write the value, uh, value is equals to r maybe rice. If I execute df, I've got food over here with rice as my value. Now if you have like uh, like if you want to know how many columns are there total, not in numbers but you want a name of the column, you will write df dot columns, and you have got all the columns like passenger id, survived, food, passenger class. So I've got all my columns also, food, ahana and a1. Okay, now if I want specific column I will write df and then name. So I have got my whole name over here, name column with indexing. And if I want to know the data type of the name, no, not the data type, I want to know the type. Okay, first of all, let's slice them. Okay, slice them to, I wanted till 10, so I will have to write 11. Execute. I have till 10 now. Now we will write type, and let's store this in a variable a, suppose, and then type a. So I have got over here series as my type. So now if I, over here the indexing was done by itself by default, 0 it started. Now I want to do indexing by myself. So how can I do it? First I will make a list with what index number I have to give. So maybe A0, comma A1, comma A2, comma A3, comma A4, comma A5, comma A6, comma A7, like this, comma A8, comma A9, comma, okay, just comma A10. Okay, this is how I have done it. Now I just want to just A. Okay, till 0 from 10, 0 till 10. Now execute. Okay, now I will write df, no, pd dot, and then this series, copy, paste, and then I will give a comma index is equals to L. If I execute, I've got my index. But this is NA. So to get my whole means my other names also, I'll just copy this code and then paste it here, and I have to give this and this again, and list. So this is list A and index 1. Okay, I forget a comma. And now over here I've changed my index to A1, A2, A0, A1, A2, A3 till 10. And over here I've got my names also, like Braun, Mr. Owen, Harris. Like this, all the names I've got. Now, indexing, just a second. Um, okay, just a second. Okay, okay, just a second. Mm, something is just okay. Okay, so okay, so over here, like I want made a variable, maybe m1, and is equals to pd dot, and this series I'll copy, copy and paste over here, and then series, and I will give some values like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, or maybe 500 till 500. I have to give my values. Now I write comma index is equals to, and then 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, execute. Okay, I just forget a comma. Invalid syntax it is showing me. Okay, over here. Now, okay, just give this and this. Now I will write M1. If I execute, I have got the index number by myself and the value also by myself. Okay, so let's just, okay, so this is how we can just add our own index numbers also and our own values also as we want. Now, uh, over here, let's make a same code, piece of code like this, paste. M1 it is. So if over here I want to just just change the values written here, like it's 500, so I will make it now 600 comma 700 comma 800 comma 900, so and comma 10,000. Okay, maybe till 900 it's fine. Okay, and now I will execute this. Okay, it's showing me certain error that okay, just a second. It's showing that 600, 700, 800, 900. Is it not defined as 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, what wrong did I? Okay, over here I have done execute. Execute, what's the value? Length of values 4 does not match. Okay, so I'll just, okay, over here I've given the indexes. Now M2 I'll print. Now if I want to multiply the values of both of them, so I will write M1 into M2, and over here I've got for first, second, third and fourth. The fifth I've got NaN, because over here it was still 4 and over here it was 5, so it remained 500. Okay, so now and if, okay, now we have learned how to over here add a column. Now how to delete a column. We will learn. Okay, and run. Now we will write df dot uh, drop. And what we want to drop, maybe I want to, or first of all, we'll just paste this, and I want to drop the column A1. Okay, so I will write df dot drop, and then I will write A1. Okay, it's just showing me. A sort of error. A1 is not defined in the axis. So over here, now we will just write df. Okay, so now, okay, not defined in the axis. So let's give axis is equals to 1. And now axis 1 we have given. Now if you give axis 0, over here it will give an error. So we have to give the axis 1. Over there axis is 1, because over there the error was that there was just remove this. It was written no axis, not found axis. Over here, as you can see over here, not found an axis. So we have to give the axis, comma, axis is equals to 1. And if we execute this, now the A1 column is deleted. Okay, so thank you. Let me get new topics for you.